Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FET price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart, we have a WXY 3 waves toward the downside, ABC 3 waves toward the upside, meaning of course in a two bearish scenario where we have an expanding flat, of course looking for a wave C, therefore impulsively 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hitting the 1.618. Of course, for 0.17. This is the ultimate bearish scenario. Another shorter bearish scenario is a WX and a Y, where your wave Y would like to hit the 1-to-1 fib level with a third structure as WXY here for zigzag, ABC for another zigzag, and A, B, and a C for a third zigzag. So it's a triple zigzags complex structure WXY hitting the 1-to-1 fib level, of course, in a nice zigzag and moving of course toward the upside after these corrective waves. These are your bearish scenarios. Your bullish scenario, which has a much higher possibility, guys, is of course a finished running flat with a wave C in a short wave C, 5 waves toward the downside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hitting the middle structure of this running flat, which is a perfect running flat. After this, you would like to see higher prices as a signal that this was a running flat, and this is exactly what we saw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing a wave 1, very nice. Now after this wave 1, you would look after a wave 2, right? So this is exactly what we got, A, B, and a C, wave 2 here. That is perfect. Then we are looking again for another 1, 2 for your wave 3 to move towards the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Unfortunately, your wave 4 invalidates this impulse toward the upside, meaning this has ended in 3 waves up again. And then we have 3 waves down, 3 waves up again, and of course then we are looking for 5 waves toward the downside. Now, if we take a look at this one, it looks very obviously as an ending contracting diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, meaning we have finished A, B, and a C toward the downside, hitting perfectly the 0.18618 for a wave 2, meaning this ABC flat or expanding flat is of course your wave 2 here for this scenario where you have 1, 2, and you're looking for higher prices after it. So, did we reach the bottom? Did we, of course, reach the wave 2 and we're looking for higher prices? What you would like to see, of course, is higher prices, 5 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation toward the upside, of course, not on the daily. You have to see it on the 15-minute chart or the 1-hour chart. You would like to see something like this and continuation for a confirmation here for a bullish scenario. And of course, looking at this chart, I see it of course as a completed 1-2 for me right now. Now, if we take a look a little bit closer, let's see the 4-hour chart, for example, what's going on here. If we bring our scenarios here we go. Yeah, this was, yeah, exactly. This is what we were expecting on the 4-hour chart. We were expecting those fib level to be exactly hit for a wave 5 in a contracting diagonal. And this is exactly what happened in A, B, and a C, which is of course a zigzag, perfect for a contracting diagonal, where your all the waves should be zigzag. 1 as a zigzag, 2 as a zigzag, and wave 3 also as a zigzag here, and 4 and a 5. Of course, finishing this wave 5 here, your wave 4 is a very sharp zigzag, by the way. But yeah, here we go, finishing our wave 5. Now we have started to see, of course, some retracement. We saw, of course, high amount of volume, signaling that this might be your finished structure. Yeah, and when you see high volume, it doesn't mean that a lot of volume is increasing toward the downside. It might mean the opposite sometimes, and moving of course for higher prices. What you would like to see here on the 1-hour chart, let's move to the 1-hour chart. You would like to see, of course, here we go, some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 waves down and continuation toward the upside, breaking this level for confirmation for bullish scenario, meaning this plays your 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, continuation toward the upside, and because we are in a bigger scenario here, don't forget that you are in a big 1-2, meaning your target for a wave 3 here is very high. Why we don't have the target? Let's let's put it there. So since we have already a scenario almost completed, let me clean up. Here we go. Our target is taken from the wave 1 and based on your wave 2 as a wave 3 in an impulse. Here we go. This is your wave 3, $4.16 for FET. So let's hope for FET to move toward the upside. I don't want to sound like I'm a hopium guy, but I mean, yeah, it was struggling for a long time to move in an impulse. I know how much it is interesting for you guys. I mean, half of the channel, I know from the analytics of this channel, half of the channel is interested in FET. And of course, I wish that you get success with it, guys. So here we go. I mean, this is an opportunity here to move for higher. But yeah, I hope that you don't get sad about it when I say, okay, there is no opportunity, because I get also many dislikes when it is bearish, knowing that I'm not making it bearish. But yes, this is what I get as a punishment. So anyway, here we go. We have a bullish scenario, guys, right now unfolding. We have to watch, of course, the price action. 5 waves up, 3 waves down. Continuation, I would say this is then, of course, 80% confirmation toward the upside. Targets $4.16 just as a wave 3. Of course, we're going to have 3 corrective wave for your wave 4 and continuation for a wave 5, probably over $5 for FET. That was it for Fetch.AI. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comment, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.